How to troubleshoot paper issues in the HP DesignJet XL3800 MFP folder upgrade kit. In this video, you will learn how to troubleshoot paper issues and solve other common related problems. Depending on the problem, the process and time required may vary. The process to remove a jam begins when the control panel notifies of the issue paper jam in folder, and it will also indicate the location of the issue. 1. Printer carriage jam. 2. Paper jam in folder, along with the instructions on how to solve it in each case. Disengage the printer from the folder. Note, if necessary, cut the paper between the printer and the folder. If you suspect that the jam affects other areas of the folder, please review the main areas. 1. Fan fold folding path. 2. Cross fold folding path. 3. Roll tray path. Re-engage the printer with the folder and follow the control panel instructions. Once the issue is solved, tap the check button to see if the problem has been successfully cleared. Paper or carriage jams may need further investigation depending on their location and may need to be removed manually. How to troubleshoot paper jams on the cross-folding path. Open the top cross-folding cover. If the jam can be removed easily from the top cover, continue removing the paper. If you cannot remove from the top, please open the lateral cross-folding cover. Remove the paper. Caution: be careful to avoid injury. Close the lateral cross-folding cover. If the jam wasn't on the fanfold nor the crossfold path, open the fan cover on the roll tray and remove the paper. Caution: be careful to avoid injury. Close the cover. Follow the control panel instructions and tap OK. The printer resumes the job and automatically reprints any lost pages. However, you should check that all pages of the job have been successfully printed. The control panel indicates if the printer is ready for paper. How to troubleshoot paper jams in the interface fan folding path. Let's take a look at clearing a jam in the fan folding path area. Open the fan folding cover. Move the rollers to release the paper. Pull the paper out. Close the fan folding cover. Check if there is any paper left in the fan area on the output side of the folder. Remove any remaining pieces of paper. Follow the control panel instructions. The printer resumes the job and automatically reprints any lost pages. However, you should check that all pages of the job have been successfully printed. How to troubleshoot the fanfold area and printer. The control panel will indicate the issue print carriage jam along with the instructions on how to solve it. Unplug the power cable. Open the top cover and clear any paper jams or obstructions. If the carriage crashes with the media, move it to one side of the printer. Cut the paper using scissors. Remove the piece of paper. Open the drawer. Cut the remaining paper using a cutter. If there are no obstructions, make sure that the print heads are installed correctly. Close the drawer. Close the printer cover. When finished, power on and restart the printer. By following these steps, you can guarantee that your HP DesignJet XL3800 MFP folder upgrade kit runs smoothly.